Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Compound. We're covering it again after yesterday we were all of a sudden very bullish again. Again, manipulated, we found resistance in the end around like the 0.618, 0.5 fib of this move down. So we'll actually delete that for now. But yeah, again, manipulated. I would say if you take a look at the 15-minute time frame, you can see moves like this. Like that's almost too much volume getting into the markets at very small periods of time. And I think the drop that we're seeing right now is also confirming manipulation. But in this video, we'll kind of talk about what's next from here. Like, can we actually get some sort of a consolidation, or was this like the final push before we actually crash back down to around the levels we were at before? So we'll do a full update on that. We'll talk about technicals, we'll talk about fundamentals. But before we dive into Compound, was also requested, by the way. So to those of you who requested it, here it is, my take on Compound. But before we get into the video, if you actually want to receive daily trading signals, such as on Compound, we are actually in a short trade from $64 right here. Which yesterday we already took profits, but we almost got back to that entry, which I always close that entry after a take profit one. But luckily it didn't touch $64. So yeah, we're dropping again. If you want to get signals, trades like that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, excuse me. But now onto Compound. So just to get back to the fact that I think it's manipulated, what you can also see is that right here, for example, at like 3:30 p.m. yesterday, the volume was around $47 million. Then around 4:30, it was at $67 million. That's just in terms of like $20 million in a matter of 1 hour on a Sunday is not normal. All right, it just isn't. And then you also take a look at where the volume is coming from. I mean, where the volume is coming from is not the worst, but like Coin W, 10 million from there, BTC Turk and Hotcoin Global quite a lot. Normally that does suggest manipulation. So that's why I think it's manipulated. But now let's actually take a look at the technicals. So right now it actually looks like we are consolidating a bit, right? Well, you could, excuse me, I just brushed my microphone. So if that was a loud sound, I'm sorry. You can see the EMAs are actually like kind of falling flat. So what I expect from here is that we'll find some support at around $55, $54. But after that, I do think we'll have a bearish breakout through that 0.5 fib again. That has held us up quite a bit over the past week. But I expect that to break, and I expect us to get down to that next support level around $50. Altogether, it actually, I mean, it's not looking too bad, because $50 is a strong support as well. I think just overall, my main thoughts is that it is very manipulated. All right, so that's kind of influencing my whole thought process, is that usually manipulated cryptos always drop back down to levels, like sometimes a little bit higher, but around levels they were at before. So that would mean that we would drop down all the way to like $42 and $38. And frankly, I do think that's possible. I don't see that happening in the short term because we have such strong support around $50 and then $46. And then even like just this entire level between 50 and 46 is very strong. So what I expect is that we'll slowly kind of drop down towards this level right here at around $46. We might still have strong bullish moves from $50. We'll probably find some support at $55. And we might get a strong move from $46. But overall, I do think we're dropping down there. And I expect us to be overly bearish overall. But that's my take on Compound for now. I mean, if Bitcoin right now gets very, very bullish, then this might turn and we might be able to consolidate a little bit longer on top of $55. But that's, like I said, that's only really possible if Bitcoin turns really bullish from here, which is something I do expect bullish momentum, but not that much. So yeah, that's my take on Compound. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.